Hey everybody, JD here once again. Well, oh, the compressor's on. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't had many updates. Kind of been dealing with work issues and kind of like haven't been really in a mood. Been doing a few things. Went to the IPMS show in Sacramento on Saturday. Had a great time. Club had a barbecue. It was awesome. Met some good people, saw some beautiful models, saw Ajax from Rattle Shenanigans, saw Billy Strange from Billy Strange Model Scale Autos, I think is his channel name. Scored some good stuff, but I have done a little bit of modeling, not much, haven't had much time. I did actually get the four disc brakes I got from Pegasus for my DeSoto. I got them in, got them painted. I got the engine for my Oldsmobile, got the spark plug holes drilled, got it painted. Got to do some, I got to work on the carburetors, gonna try and do a linkage and some fuel lines for it. Other things I got, I was watching James Tester's video where he was talking about working on photo etch, and I bought a couple of pairs of those really awesome tweezers that he had in his thing. I already actually have one pair, but I bought a couple more just for case. And I got some of those wax pens to pick up small parts. Got those. Haven't used them yet. When I went to Autorama, there was a guy there that was selling odds and ends and tools, so I got another set of dental picks for scribing and doing whatever. I used to have a set of these and they worked really nice. Something I got in the mail a couple weeks ago. I got this Executioner Bride figure kit from Kotobukiya. I have a bunch of their frame arms girls. These are really cool kits. I haven't built one of these. I really want to get around to eventually having to build one. I think it'd be very cool. As far as going to the vendors at the IPMS show in Sacramento, I have a few Warhammer kits. I got this from a guy. Him and I talked about Japanese metal bands. He's a fan of baby metal, and I told him I could give him a list of bands that he might like to check out. So I wrote a bunch of stuff down for him. I bought this off of him. I ended up going to another vendor shortly after that, and I got this really cool Stearman biplane. I kind of like these cool. I watched a video about the International Race of Gentlemen. There was a yellow one of these in the video. The guy went for a ride in it. It would be very cool. I do like these planes. I think they're kind of interesting looking. And then another guy had this very old MiG-17 kit made by a Czech company. I looked in the instructions and it says it was from 1974. I love the Korean War era jets with the aluminum skins and whatnot. There was one I found on the internet. I was watching a video of MiG-17s. There was one, I don't know if it's, I think it's a Soviet acrobatic team, but it has like red markings on it. It was very cool. I'll try and put a picture up. I found some of the video I took when I was watching. It's actually an interesting kit. I don't think the decals are any good anymore because there they are. They're yellow and they're curled up. But the kit looks like it's in pretty good condition. It does have English. I mean, it's not a very big plane. I'm about the same size as my. This is my 1/72nd scale Mustang that I'm building, so it's about the same. Pretty good. I don't know when ever I will get around to building this. I just thought it was very cool because this was like $5 for this kit is what he wanted. And he had a bunch of them. So I bought one. I probably should have bought two. And then I went to another vendor. I made like 4 trips out to my car because I kept getting handfuls of models, and I couldn't carry them. I didn't want to carry them around all day. So I got this Darrell Waltrip Budweiser, I believe it was Junior Johnson stock car, the number 11 Budweiser. I remember this car. I remember Neil Bonnet driving this car, so I had to have this. That was very cool. Oh, and on the floor it goes. Oh well. And this same vendor also had this very cool 1975 Chevrolet Laguna stock car. These two were like very cool. They were both of these kits were wrapped when I got them. I went to another table and I picked up some kits from a lady who said she didn't want to take them home, so they were $5. So I got, not even thinking about it, I got 2 of the same kit. Got this one, and I got this one. I didn't realize they were the same kit because the box art is just a little different. The other one has the one truck on it. One of these, I looked when I got them home. These were both open. One of them has the chrome engine assembled, but it still has the non-chrome engine in the kit, but it has no chrome tree at all. So I'm glad I bought 2 of them, because now I'm going to have at least enough parts to build 1 truck out of the set. The other $5 kit I got was this very cool Benetton F1 car from Heller. It's 1/43rd scale, has the decals in it. It also has the glue and stuff. I don't think it's any good anymore because I don't even know what year this kit is. That still has the glue, has like a poor paintbrush. It looks like somebody pulled half the bristles out of it. But it's a little tiny little kit. No engine detail or anything like that, but it'd be cool. I love this era of Formula One. I also got from the same lady for $5 this 34 Ford Street Rod kit. Everything's in there. I think everything in this is still in the bags. It's just the cover was, the outside plastic was taken off. Look forward to building that sometime. And I also got this 71 Vet kit that you can make either as a convertible or as a coupe. Again, another kit. Everything's in the bags. I put the tires in the glass, and these kits, I opened them up when I got home, and got the tires and the glass in plastic bags to keep them separate and safe. I also picked up this because I remember the Oldsmobile Cutlasses back in the day that were very, 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 very popular. This is, I think at one point the Cutlass was the best-selling car in America, and I really like this one here. It's very cool looking. It'll go nice with my Regal. I have a monogram Regal, the Grand National kit from way back when, still the original box. Then I got this one, an AMT 427 Ford Fairlane. Really looking forward to building this. Looks very cool. I don't know if I'm going to build it stock, or I might build it as a drag car. We don't know yet. And then the final 2 kits that I bought at the show were last minute. I told the guy I'd take them off his hands. I got the Dodge Dart 330, the one that comes with the 383, and it also comes with a straight 6. And I'm not going to build the one that everyone thinks I'm going to build. I think I will build the one with a straight 6 in it, just because. Be different. I like to be different. And I also got the other version of the kit, the Color Me Gone Dodge 330. So I could build one drag car, one race car, and a street car. That'd be very cool. And the final thing I got, didn't get it at the show. I bought it over the weekend now. I found my son has this kit. It's the Star Wars Super Star Destroyer Emperor, I think it's Executor? Is that what the name of it is? The Executor? Oh. Yeah. What is it? Executor, I guess. But my son bought this Lego kit a long time ago, and I couldn't get my hands on it because they only had one at the store we went to. So I kind of lost out, and I finally got one. They had the Rebel ship at the beginning of the very first Star Wars. Is it Tannic 5? Something like that. And last but not least, because I've been in the mood lately to drive, I decided to buy a little GoPro knockoff. It was pretty cheap on Amazon, and I'd like to hang this in my car because I'd like to take another road trip and actually film out the windshield while I'm driving for a little bit, just for shits and giggles. I think that'd be kind of cool. And don't know when I'm going to get around to doing that because I've got other things to do besides, before I get my next road trip I go on, I don't know. I am going to try and go to Silicon Valley's IPMS show in June. Hopefully I'll have something done, I don't know what, to take to the show. And hopefully, I'm going to start taking some days off of work because I just cannot deal with crap that goes on where I work anymore. I really need to get away more often. So I'm going to start taking Saturdays off here and there to go to car shows, go to model shows, or do whatever, because enough is enough. I need my time away before I lose my sanity. I hope everybody had a great weekend. I know a lot of people have been going to different shows this weekend. Brian went to, BG went to the show in Vegas along with a couple of other people. I don't know, there was one back east that Mark Batson and Matthew Inman and Jess Scale Model Snail went to. It looked like it was a cool show. I watched those videos, very cool. But I hope everybody has a great weekend. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.